healthy, and today I'm going to share with you a quick, easy way to change a regular tuna salad into a gourmet tuna salad. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 small can of tuna in oil. This is so good. We have 3/4 cup of whole corn kernels. We have 1/2 cup of chickpeas. About 4 tablespoons of grated carrot. We have 1/4 of a small cucumber which I chopped, and 1/4 of a small tomato which I chopped. These really add body. Have 2 tablespoons of grated sweet pepper, green and yellow, but you can use any colors that you have, and 1 tablespoon of grated onion. If you have onion powder, that would be perfect. We have mayonnaise, about 1/2 cup, but sometimes you may use a little more, and the juice of 1/2 of 1 lime. This is really easy. All we need to do is add everything together and we're done.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up.
Now we're gonna mix everything together. It looks gorgeous. These beautiful colors work so well together. Now we're gonna add our lime juice and a dash of black pepper to really spice it up. Our gourmet tuna salad is done. It looks lovely. The beautiful colors, the yellow from the corn, green from the sweet pepper, and it smells good too. This you can have for breakfast or lunch with a carbohydrate like biscuits or bread, or just by itself. Now let's taste. The tomato, the cucumber, the corn. This dish is inspired by one of my friends. Her name is Sharon. Thank you so much, Sharon, for introducing me to this gourmet tuna salad. I absolutely love it. Delicious. It tastes so good and it is so filling. The raw carrots, the cucumber, the corn, they just add so much bulk to this dish and it completely fills you. And the addition of the chickpeas adds additional protein, so it is a high protein dish. Gourmet tuna salad. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this salad, I want you to look over here, see some of my other salads, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.